Flaxseed. Flaxseed is a plant-based food that provides healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. Some people call it a functional food, which means that a person can eat it to boost their health. It has some unique health benefits such as lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, preventing stroke, reducing cancer risk. Now let's talk about its benefits for hair growth. Flaxseed contains vitamin E, which diminishes the influence of free radicals on your scalp and improves hair growth and stronger hair follicles. Flaxseed can be used to promote hair growth and improve the overall quality of hair and scalp in a number of ways. How to use flaxseed to achieve a healthy hair growth. First of all, you have your water, you have your flaxseed ready, and get ready to put it on fire. Then we have a sieve too. You need something very light so that you can squeeze out the water and then leave your seeds in this. Okay, I have my bowl, so my flaxseed is inside the bowl now. Turn it inside the bowl to the quantity you want to use. It can be a little quantity because you don't need much of it, it's just for your hair. But if you want to use it for other purposes, then you can use a lot of quantity. Fine. So add water to it, cold water, and get set to put it on fire. You don't need much of water, just a little quantity of water is enough for you. So get set and put it on fire. My flaxseed is already on fire and I have to stir it for a couple of minutes so that it won't stick to your pot. If you're using a pot, get set to stir it for a couple of minutes so it doesn't get stick. Keep turning, stir it, and leave it for some minutes. After a while, check back and my flaxseed is becoming a little bit sticky. Here is it. Okay, I think it's almost done, so keep stirring. Here is it. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, my flaxseed is ready, and then I have my sieve in a bowl. Turn it into the sieve. Separate the sticky water from the flaxseed itself so you can have your flax water. It comes in form of a gel, so that turns to your gel. You can use it to either sleep the edges of your hair or then strictly for your scalp because it's actually for hair growth. So here is my flaxseed turned into a bowl. Here is it. I have my flax gel ready. This is all it takes for you to get your flax gel from your flaxseed. Here, apply it into your hair, a good portion into your hair. Massage it very well to your scalp so you don't have any parts left untouched. So that's what I do. My hair is very heavy, so I try as much as possible to spread it all around everywhere so I can have it into the scalp. Keep doing that. Okay, I also realized that this flaxseed is very healthy for the face. It also can be used for facials too. So I read about it and I realized that, a quantity can also be used for my face. So after I applied it on my hair, I also applied it on my face. Well, I haven't really seen the result yet on my face, but I'll get back to you on the result on that because flaxseed is super cool. For natural hair, I can tell because I'm already seeing the lovely texture of my hair improving. So this is it. Applying on my face, flaxseed gel. Beautiful. Thank you all for watching. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and keep the notification button on. I love you.